Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the flower arrangements. Flower arrangement. Flower arrangement is an art of arranging flowers in different styles. We can arrange flowers in pots or containers or in bouquet or as a flower rangoli. Container selection for flower pots. It is the foundation of a design. It should be suitable for flower arrangement. It should be capable of holding water. It should be stable enough to support the weight. Flower arrangement styles. There are three different styles of flower arrangement: Eastern style, Western style, and modern style. Eastern style, it is also called as Japanese style or ikebana. It requires less material, follows specific rules and angles. In case of Western style, it produces mass effect, arranged flowers in an even symmetry, while in case of modern style, it is the hybrid of both Eastern style and Western style. The table shows the difference between Western style and Eastern style. First parameter is symmetry of arrangement. In case of Western style, symmetrical arrangement of flowers are there, while in case of Eastern style, asymmetric arrangement of flowers are there. Quantity of flowers and fillers. In case of Western style, requires more flowers to create mass effect. In case of Eastern style, requires less flowers. Rim of vase. In case of Western style, plant materials may touch the rim of the vase. In case of Eastern style, plant material never touch the rim of the vase. Accessories. In case of Western style, accessories never used, while in case of Eastern style, branches, driftwood, pieces of bark, shell, etc. are used. Selection of flowers and foliage for flower pot arrangement. In case of line flower pot arrangement, line flowers helps to create outline of the design, that is the design skeleton or form. These are tall flowers that gives height. The flowers used for line type of flower pot arrangements are gladiolus, tuberose, goldenrod, heliconia, stalks, delphinium, etc. Foliage, branches or fruits used in line type of flower pot arrangements are twig and branches of bottle brush, foliage of sansevieria. In case of form type of flower pot arrangement, form flowers helps to create focal point. The flowers used are anthurium, orchids, bird of paradise, heliconia, spathiphyllum, tulip, rose, etc. Foliage of grapes, cashew fruits are used. In case of mass type of flower pot arrangement, mass flowers have single stem with 2 to 3 small, 2 medium flowers at the top. These add depth to the arrangement. For mass type of flower pot arrangement, rose, chrysanthemum, gerbera, anthurium, amaryllis, carnation, daisy, aster are used, or fruits of apple, pomegranate are used. Fillers. Fillers add finishing touch, bottom mums. Flowers of gypsophila, onion, inflorescence, goldenrod are used, while the foliage and fruits of asparagus, thuja, ferns, casuarina, bottle brush is commonly used. Let us discuss about the Eastern style of flower arrangement in details. Eastern style, it is also called as Japanese style or ikebana of flower arrangement. Definition and concept of ikebana. Ikebana is the Japanese art of flower arrangement. It is also known as Eastern style of flower arrangement. Ikebana is more than simply putting flowers in a container. It is a disciplined art form in which the arrangement is a living thing in which nature and humanity are brought together. Ikebana is the combination of Ike plus Bana. Ike means to live and Bana means flower. It signifies life and freshness. Principles of Eastern style arrangement. Spiritual basis of Ikebana involves spiritual significance closely associated to all aspects of life. It is associated with the philosophy of developing closeness with nature. One becomes quiet when one practices ikebana. One becomes more patient and tolerant of differences not only in nature but also in generally in other people. It helps to live in the moment and to appreciate things in nature that previously had seemed insignificant. Rules of construction of ikebana. Its material are living branches, leaves, grasses, and blossoms. Anything can be used, and even a small weed can be given an important place in an arrangement. Its heart is the beauty resulting from color combinations, natural shapes, graceful lines, and the meaning latent in the total form of the arrangement. The three main components of ikebana are heaven, man, and earth. In ikebana, empty space plays an essential part of the arrangement. The elements placed asymmetrically are given emphasis by the space. Thus, the totality of a well done arrangement brings about a state of serenity and peace to the viewer. Ikebana arrangement represents nature in the following way. A single flower symbolizes nature. Bamboo symbolizes integrity since it does not bend. Evergreen pine represents the abode of deity. These are the some floral arrangements of ikebana. Western flower arrangement. Basic principles. Western flower arrangement is characterized by mass of flowers and foliage. A balanced formal style which may be for front viewing or to be viewed from all sides. The flower arrangement can be centerpiece on a table, placed on a window sill, shelf, trolley, bookshelf, or cupboard, or it may be hung on the wall. Types of Western floral arrangements: circular, triangular, radiating, crescent, horizontal, and Hogarthian curve. Circular arrangement, designed to be viewed from all sides and makes an excellent centerpiece for low table. Triangular arrangement is equally as tall as wide. The tallest flower is placed exactly in the center of the container. The two skeleton flowers are then placed at each side at equal distance. A short stemmed flower is placed at the front of the arrangement to form the focal point. Radiating arrangement has a fan-like outline. The fan shape is created by placing flowers or foliage to give the rounded appearance. In this arrangement, gladiolus, snapdragons, flat ferns, and palm fronds are commonly used. Crescent arrangement. The overall outline is crescent or half moon shaped. The curved foliage is placed to the side, usually left of the center. The flowers used in this design will be smallest below and largest at the center of interest of the arrangement. Horizontal designs. The horizontal designs makes an excellent centerpiece. The height of the arrangement is reduced so that the horizontal length becomes 1.5 to 2 times the length of the container. Hogarthian curve. The Hogarthian curve is a sophisticated asymmetrical design. It has the outline of S shape. Tall steamed raised containers are used for this design. Floral pattern or flower rangoli. Floral pattern or rangoli with flowers is a common practice in India. Generally, the petals of different flowers are taken out and are arranged in various patterns. Intact flowers of small flowered chrysanthemum and other flowers can also be used for this purpose. Flower rangoli designs are a simple way to decorate a large or small space for absolutely any occasion. Flower rangoli design instantly brightening up a space with lovely colors and decorate the place. These are the some designs of flower rangoli, which are made up of from intact flowers or from petals. This type of flower rangoli occasionally prepared during the festival season and also in wedding ceremony. Bouquets. A flower bouquet is a collection of flowers in a creative arrangement. Flower bouquets are often given for special occasions such as birthdays or anniversaries. They are also used extensively in wedding. Traditionally, the bride will hold the bouquet and the maid of honor will hold it during the ceremony. A wedding bouquet of flowers or roses is an idea that was brought up years ago and then becomes a tradition. Materials required for making bouquets: bouquet wrapper, ribbon, bouquet wrap, holder, bouquet handles, sleeves, bouquet collar, flowers for bouquets. Different flowers suit different occasions. Type of occasions: suitable flowers for bouquet makings are: for elegant occasion, white lilium is used. For informal occasion, daisy with white petal or yellow center is used. For traditional occasions, rose with different colors are used. For unique occasion, sunflower is commonly used. For simple occasion, tulips and gypsophila is used. There are two main types of bouquets: line made up of from line flowers and mass flowers. Line flower bouquet. Line flowers are tall and give your bouquet's height, width, and a balanced look. Branches and tall foliage can serve as a line flowers. Most line flowers have buds giving up a center stalk. Example of line flowers are gladiolus, liatris, snapdragon, delphinium, tuberose, veronica, curly willows, bells of Ireland, and stock. Mass flowers. Mass flowers will give the bouquet weight or mass and are generally round and full faced. Sometimes they are referred to as face flowers. They are usually the focal point of color and interest in a bouquet. Most mass flowers come with only one flower on the end of the stem. Example of mass flowers are rose, carnation, gerbera, sunflower, lily, daffodils, tulip, iris, freesia, zinnia, alstroemeria, protea, chrysanthemum, etc. Fillers for bouquets: grasses, eucalyptus, ferns, asparagus, gypsophila are used as a fillers. Types of bouquet. Possy. A possy is a round bouquet. The stem may be removed and wired or left as it is. The possy is round and small, and it can easily be held in one hand. Crescent bouquet. The overall outline is crescent or half moon shaped. The curved foliage is placed to the side, usually the left of the center. The flowers used in this design will be smallest below and the largest at the center of interest of the arrangement. Arm bouquets. Arm bouquets is also referred to as presentations bouquets or pageant bouquets. Flowers suitable for this bridal bouquet type often have long stems like calla lilies, orchids, and roses. The flowers are left at its natural state with a big ribbon tied to bundle them together. Free from contemporary bouquet. Most free from bouquets have foliage coming out of the bouquet. Usually, uniquely shaped flowers are often used. It is popularly used for elegant or contemporary style wedding. Single stem bouquet. A single stem bouquet is for someone who loves simplicity. This bridal bouquet type often has its flower stem wrapped or a big ribbon tied to it to add more attention. Pomander. A pomander is a ball of flowers carried by a ribbon attached to it. Cascade bouquet is also called as a fountain or a waterfall bouquet. This has an abundance of blossoms at the top of the bouquet, then tapers downwards with flowing foliage or ribbons at the bottom. Fan. This is simply a bouquet of flowers attached to a plastic fan. Popularly in the late 80s, they were embellished with carnations, baby's breath, and plenty of ribbons. Hand-tied bouquet. Hand-tied bouquets give off a casual feel, a grouping of flowers tied together with ribbon. It looks as if they were picked fresh right out of the garden. This is the perfect for casual or garden wedding. Oval bouquets. This bouquet is a combination of both a cascade and a round. Generally, the bottom is narrower than the top, but this overall shape resembles an oval. This can be used in almost any style wedding. Heart bouquets, a romantic shaped bouquets featuring two full arched shape at the top while tapering down to a point at the bottom of the bouquet. Typically, the traditional shape often seen at Valentine's Day, symbolizing love and romance. Fixed flower bouquets. These can be made the same way as the rose bouquet. Substitutes smaller flowers for the rose buds and use larger flowers towards the center of the bouquet. Fruit bouquets. A fruit bouquet is a fruit arrangement in the form of bouquets. Complete fruit or the fruit is cut in the shape of flowers and leaves and are arranged in the containers with the help of sticks. A complete arrangement looks like a bouquet of flowers. Fruit bouquets generally have seasonal themes such as Christmas, graduation, birthdays, anniversary, housewarming, and Valentine's Day. So this is all about the flower arrangement.